Hi, this is Josh from Ringover, and in this video we're taking a quick look at all of the user functionalities in Ringover. Once you've logged into your My Ringover account, you'll find the dialer on the left of the screen. And at the top of your interface, you'll find 3 buttons which give you access to the 3 ways to communicate using Ringover: phone calls, instant messaging, and video calling. Let's start with the main feature of Ringover: phone calls. You can make a phone call by using the dialer on the bottom left of the screen, just like a regular phone. Towards the middle of the screen, you'll see detailed real-time call logs. This gives you a clear overview of your incoming and outgoing calls. If a call is going towards a different time zone, you'll be notified of the time difference towards the top of the dialer. Just above the call logs is the waitlist, a super useful feature for making sure your clients are responded to as immediately as possible. If you're connected to an IVR and receive a call, you'll be able to see the calls waiting to be picked up. Just click on the call waiting in your waitlist to answer. To the right of the call button, you can click the instant messaging button to start a text chat with someone. You'll be notified by a colored dot whenever you receive a message. In order to start a conversation, you can click a new message or select a person in your chat feed and respond directly. Another great way to communicate with your teams and clients is, of course, video calling, which is integrated directly into Ringover. To do this, just click the video calling button. In a few clicks, you can invite your colleagues to join a meeting. You can also make a custom link and easily send it over to your guests. Once the video call is underway, you have access to all of the classic features that you might expect. For example, you can mute or activate your mic, you can turn your video on or off, or you can even share your screen. Ringover gives its users the ability to see their real-time personal statistics. To view these, move your cursor over to the top right of the screen and click the Your Statistics icon. In this section, you can easily view your service level in terms of calls answered versus calls missed, your total number of incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, your average call duration, and your snooze time. You can also change the time frame for the statistics displayed, as well as select if the data shown corresponds to calls coming in on direct lines or from IVRs. These statistics are an efficient way to visualize where you are in your workday and are really useful for tracking your objectives. Next to the statistics icon, you'll see the contacts button, which of course allows you access to the contact section. Then there's the dashboard button, which grants you access to Ringover's more advanced features and admin functionalities. And if you click on your avatar in the top right of the screen, you'll be presented with several options. From here, you can access your groups, download Ringover software, or get to our help pages. Most importantly, however, you can also access your settings from this menu. From settings, you can control and change several parameters relating to your account. You can change your language and region settings, or set call forwarding and active working hours. You can also change your ringtone and access more technical features like blacklisting numbers and viewing which specific browsers you're currently logged in on. Ringover also gives you the option to activate dark mode. This allows you to reduce the strain on your eyes thanks to a darker color scheme for the interface. Plus, it looks cool. Now you should be more than ready to get out there and start making calls from Ringover. Thanks for watching.